Netherlands is a land of water. From the earliest days of spring, the land is transformed into a picturesque landscape reflected in the water. People of all ages relax with the sun on their faces along tinkling brooks and on gorgeous lakes. Water management, a typical Dutch field of knowledge that is followed with worldwide interest. From large-scale water defences to the latest techniques in our agricultural regions. At KWT, we do all we can to help safeguard this Dutch expertise. And that starts at the very first contact. KWT Group is a member of the Bersenhoek Group. Together, we have more than 50 years' experience of the world of water. KWT Group has completed a large number of stunning structures at home and abroad for many different clients.
KWT Holland.
Our team of engineers is certainly exceptional. It designs components in a 3D environment to ultimately produce an advanced final product. KWT Group is proud of the people that deploy their know-how internally and externally to engineer a technically perfect product. The details are always extensively discussed, especially when it comes to custom-engineered specials, like this flap valve. We designed 6 of them for a UK client that demanded peak performance over a span of many years. Each flap valve measures 4 by 3 meters.
This project is built as part of the Olympic 2012 Games, or is on the back of that, to provide tidal exclusion to the Prescott Channel and upstream. The flat gates themselves are HDPE material, and that's it's great. It's better than steel because for 2 reasons. One is the weight is reduced, and it'll only take around 150 ml of water head here to be able to push through to exit out of the gate.
Separately or combined, HDPE and stainless steel are the perfect basis for many of our products. This combination of materials has been increasingly gaining respect also in Germany.
Das Gebiet ist dadurch schwierig, weil die Regulierung, also das heißt die vorherige Regulierung, nicht vorhanden war. Und dadurch, dass eben halt jetzt Staubauwerke eingesetzt werden, kann das Wasser reguliert werden und hat so einen vernünftigen Abfluss. Staubauwerke werden ausschließlich aus Edelstahl gefertigt, wo dann eben halt die Rahmen aus Edelstahl gebaut sind durch die Stabilität oder für die Stabilität. Und die Stauschütze an sich, die Stauplatten, werden aus Kunststoff gefertigt oder je nach Größe auch aus Edelstahl.
Engineers work on production drawings that are converted directly into programs to control our production machinery. Finished parts are entrusted to skilled specialists for assembly. KWT stands for Synthetic Water Management Techniques. The abbreviation dates from the time that predominantly high-density polyethylene items were supplied. This custom-made stainless steel gate is ready for transport to the UK, where it will be installed as a sluice gate in a tidal river lock. Today, the KWT Group is a supplier of a vast range of state-of-the-art water management systems, both standard and customized. A wide range of standard products and specials are available from stock. Dozens of flap valves, penstocks and tilting weirs are being shipped every week. For instance, to the purification plant in Morkhoven and to Tessenderlo, Belgium.
Deze zuivering wordt beheerd door de Aquatic, die verantwoordelijk is voor de waterzuivering van het volledige Vlaamse landgedeelte van België. Zijwanden in die constructie kunnen we nog maken in HDPE. Dat kunnen we nog altijd doen omwille van de afmetingen. Eens dat we groter gaan, zijn we verplicht over te stappen naar roestvrijstaal.
In Sweden, we visit the port of Stockholm. We descend into a cave to see where KWT products are being installed for the renovation of this wastewater treatment plant.
De som har nytta av den här stationen är Stockholms innerstad och båtarna som kommer från Finland. Till exempel Viking Line, Silja Line, som måste pumpa ur sitt gråvatten. Och det hamnar ner i pumpstationen nere vid kajen som sedan pumpas här och sen vidare ner till Danvikens reningsverk. Henriksdal. Det speciella med den här renoveringen är att alla kanaler som byggs om från betong till stål byts ut till ett material som heter duplex. Och det gäller ju även då skruvtråd och kontrollluckor från KWT. Där allting byggs i 2205. Det här är ett speciellt projekt för Stockholm i och med att det görs i så hög kvalitet. Och man har valt att göra projektet i en hög kvalitet för att inte behöva göra om det.
While the shipment is prepared for Dubai in the production hall, we pop over to the UK. Here, KWT was commissioned to supply 2 large tilting weirs with a combined width of around 8 meters. So why did they opt for this solution here?
The land, it looks flat, but it's not actually flat at all. It's a gradient of about a foot a mile down to the sea. So you've got sluices like this every so often to maintain water levels all the way up through. Well, it gives better control over the water level as opposed to the old style undershot door we used to have here.
Tilting weirs are not only deployed in agricultural areas. Here in the city, the weir has been expanded with a fish pass.
The aim of the fish pass is to help the salmon, trout, to migrate in towards London.
Fish migration is just one of the fields of research at the Hydraulics Laboratory in Antwerp.
Hier gebeuren van alle soorten studies en daar hebben wij wisselende waterstanden voor nodig. En met die stuw proberen wij de waterhoogte in het kanaal te regelen. Het is een heel basismodel, maar perfect wat wij nodig hebben. Je kunt goed de hoogte regelen en de snelheid en meer moet dat ook niet zijn.
At Salters Load Lock, a specially designed gate is already in use. It functions as a lock for canal boats, but also as a tidal defence barrier.
The gate is made of stainless steel so that it doesn't need to be painted, because obviously with the tidal river on the other side there is a salt issue. We do get salt down this end. The old gate was heavier, and this gate works better and quicker.
Although it's just early May, the sun already shines over the beautiful landscapes of the Algarve in Portugal. In Vila Real de Santo Antonio, they have almost finished the built construction of this new wastewater treatment plant.
As válvulas de KWT servem para flexibilizar o funcionamento da etara. Uma vez que temos várias linhas e estamos a trabalhar em época alta e época baixa, alturas em que a variação de caudal é muito significativa, estas válvulas vão nos permitir isolar uma parte da ETAR para permitir fazer manutenção, flexibilizando de forma significativa o funcionamento da ETAR. Analisámos o produto, verificámos que apresenta várias condições de qualidade. Aquela que nos saltou mais à vista foi os ensaios que fazem de estanquidade. Este sistema está dimensionado para a época alta do ano horizonte do projeto. Irá servir cerca de 100 mil habitantes. No verão, a população do Algarve mais do que duplica.
One of the biggest projects in recent years is the construction of the largest pumping station in the UK. It replaces the former station dating back from 1934.
The new pumping station will protect an area containing 26,000 properties, businesses and residences with a combined value of some £3.6 billion. So it's an important investment for the future to protect that land and the community who live here.
St Germans pumping station is unique because it is a one-off and therefore it prompted really thinking through and because of its importance in terms of flood protection. So the whole of the area would be at risk if this pumping station failed and the whole of the area is totally reliant on its efficient operation.
We were impressed with the quality of the submission from ACE and KWT in Holland for their experience in big flap valves and penstocks of this size, of which is fairly unique to the UK.
Water management is a hot item in the Netherlands and beyond. Clients are constantly notified of new developments and innovations through press releases, trade journals or personal visits at its headquarters. Dubai. One last right turn and we see our hotel proudly rising above the rest of the landscape. We're not going to stay the night at Burj Al Arab, we just want to admire it, just like many other wonderful buildings in the Emirates. New cities also demand new sewage treatment plants.
At the moment we have more than about 10 projects are ongoing, similar capacity or little less capacity.
We're out today here in Dubai in Motor City now. This is the sewage treatment plant. It's big sewage, not big sewage, this is a medium sewage treatment plant. The capacity is 8,000 cubic meter per day. And here we have some stock related to KWT, which is good, very nice. I found this good also at working here also, so we are happy really with this KWT stock. And all my project as a consultant, I recommended KWT, and now it is approved in all Emirates, in Abu Dhabi, Dubai and all. It is good.
Just right is a term that precisely fits the mindset of KWT Group. It entails doing whatever you can, adopting a no-nonsense attitude, taking advantage of every possibility, not wasting any materials, and giving due consideration to people and planet in everything you do. Just right.